Namaskar.
I am Kiran.
I am Parimal.
Through this video, we are trying to share our journey of Patil Kulkarni Farms. So stay until end for a lovely video.
Looking at what I'm wearing, you can easily guess we are from Maharashtra, which is in India. Both of us are born and brought up in Pune. Oh my goodness. So we are both engineers and we have moved around the globe for work. In 2012, we moved to US.
We are both IT professionals with a lovely teenage boy.
Whenever we went around, I saw the cows all around and I always said, hey, I want that kind of a life. So I had a dream of being on the farm.
The dream was always on the mind, busy work schedule routine, always continued. And then came a logical milestone in our life when our son moved to college and we bought this lovely farm and moved on to live here.
Welcome to Patil Kulkarni Farms.
So this is actually our homesteading journey. What homesteading means is that you grow your own veggies. Well, pandemic has taught us a lesson. Growing our own food has become a necessity to some extent. So we use the principles of regenerative farming, which means no tilling, not using any heavy machinery. So look at still the bountiful veggies everywhere on every plant. We use a lot of compost veggies. Love the compost. What happens is when you do not use any heavy machinery, the mulching and the organic material, it helps soil become alive. And this is what you see. The growth of plant tells us that they are loving it. Regenerative farming was practiced by our ancestors and it's one of the oldest techniques. So we also try to grow as much as local produce. So understanding the soil, the local soil is one of the key, the lovely organic produce. So do you know why an eggplant is called an eggplant? Well, this can tell you why. We grow all types of greens as well. This is nothing but the ghongura. Marathi we call this ambadi. Understanding the geographic environment is key when you do gardening. And when we moved around the globe, that was kind of an experience we learned while we experimented. And you can see a lot of marigolds that are growing over here too. These are the ones that attract all the beneficial insects and keep all the bad things out. These are the Tabasco chilies. We have always seen them in the bottle, but if you grow them, then you can literally smell the Tabasco sauce. We are self-sustained on what we grow. We do not buy any veggies from the market. See the beauty of organic gardening, and even no fertilizers. We also have the peanuts. Not many people know Georgia is one of the largest producers of peanut. Over here are some millets. These are something that are very important and everybody has understood. The gluten-free magic. And over here what you see is jowar, that's another millet, and other side is the corn. So this is my happy place. We have studied in school about the three sisters. So in our garden we also have that concept of three sisters over here. You can see the beautiful beans growing along with the millets and the grains. Now tell me, what are these? This is nothing but the black eye bean. In Marathi we call this chauli. And then she gives us company as well in our field. Georgia is also very high producers of melons. One of the bestest joy of organic gardening is this. It's hard work, and now it's going to be the fun time. भाजी क्या भाजी?
भाजी क्या भाजी, ताजी ताजी भाजी.
Well, there are no rules when it comes to having fun. Dressing up is one of that.
And look at, we have even the Indian breed cows. This just reminds us the village life that is back home. So this is kind of a home away from home that we have created, a little village from Maharashtra or any village that reminds us of our home. This is Baldev, our mighty bull. This is Riddhi, and that is Siddhi. Riddhi is also lovely. Each of our animals have personality. You never know. One goes back and another one comes in. Siddhi say hello to everyone. But the kind of therapy that all of these give, no wonder cow hugging has become an important thing now. Isn't it, Baldev? So we couldn't wait for the cows to start giving us milk. So we have our goats too. The true homesteading then becomes when you also have your own eggs. Come on. We have some impressive, pretty funny animals over here.
Romeo.
Set of a donkey couple. That's Romeo, and that's Audi.
Come here, Audi.
Audi, come over here, dear.
For people outside the state, we also have the homestay available, and then they get such kind of beautiful experience on the living, working farm with all animals around. We have the flowers for the organic honey project. Let's see all of these. Plan is to use renewable energy. Right now we have the solar panels for our chicken coop fan. The next is going to be the electricity soon. The free time on the weekend is when we try to indulge ourselves with old village rustic way of living. Wherever you move, the Indian roots, the culture will be along with you. That's why we have Tulsi Vrindavan made in the garden along with a beautiful Ganesha idol. Still connected with the roots back in India. So we also have the Indian cot over here to just relax. We offer farm tours 1 or 2 times a month to share this lovely experience not taught in the schools and offers so much therapy along with lovely home cooked food. So this is kind of homesteading journey that we are loving. We want to share it with everyone. If we can do it, anyone can do it. So please go ahead and share this video. We'll be sharing our homesteading journey on our Facebook page, Patil Kulkarni Farms. If you love the content, if you want to do something crazy like us, do follow